Packing for a trip? Great, just don't bring your entire house. Experienced travelers know the secret. Less baggage, more sanity. Forget the just-in-case mindset. You're not prepping for a zombie apocalypse. Let's unpack the stuff you really don't need. Looking at you. Neck pillow. Number 11. Neck pillows. Let's be honest, those fluffy donut-shaped neck pillows hanging off backpacks at the airport? Yeah, they scream rookie traveler. While they might seem like a cozy dream, experienced globetrotters know they're just space hogs. Once you stuff it in your carry-on, you lose precious room for essentials. Like snacks, obviously. Savvy travelers have discovered the magic of versatility, opting for a large scarf that triples as a neck rest, blanket, and emergency towel. Inflatable neck pillows are also on the rise. They deflate flat and weigh next to nothing. Still too fancy? Try the pillow hack. Pack a small pillowcase and fill it with rolled-up clothes. Boom, instant head support, zero added bulk. You get comfort without sacrificing luggage space. Plus, let's face it, lugging the neck pillow through 3 terminals and a security line feels more like a burden than a blessing. When you're traveling light and smart, every cubic inch matters. Number 10. Physical books and guides. Once a travel staple, physical books and guides now feel like dead weight in a carry-on world. Lugging around a mini library might seem charming, but it's more exhausting than romantic. E-readers like Kindles store thousands of titles in a device lighter than your phone. Digital travel guides offer real-time updates, maps, and reviews right in your pocket. They also save space, trees, and your hostel roommate's eyes with built-in night mode. Losing a book abroad? Painful. Losing an app? Just re-download it. In today's tech-savvy travel game, your phone is the new bookshelf. Pack light, swipe smarter, and save your shoulders. Number 9. Hair dryers. Unless you're doing a full-blown blowout on a mountaintop, you probably don't need to pack a hairdryer. Most hotels, hostels, and even Airbnb rentals include them as standard amenities nowadays. Bringing your own just adds unnecessary bulk and weight to your luggage, and let's be real, you're probably only using it once or twice during the trip. If you're blessed with wash-and-go hair, embrace the natural look and enjoy the time saved. For those with curly, frizzy, or high-maintenance locks, there are travel-size dryers that are powerful yet palm-size, and many of them are dual voltage to prevent any plug-sparking disasters. But even then, seasoned travelers often opt for local salon visits or dry shampoo magic instead of fighting hotel humidity with a blow dryer. The truth is, travel should be about adventure, not salon perfection. Your bag and the planet will breathe easier. Number 8. Excess cash. Once upon a time, traveling meant sewing cash into your socks and hiding bills under insoles like you were smuggling gold. But in 2025, that's just asking for stress. Today's seasoned jet-setters rely on cards, apps, and digital wallets to handle money on the move. Services like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and travel-friendly credit cards make spending abroad seamless and secure. Plus, you'll often get better exchange rates and fraud protection compared to dodgy money exchange booths. If you absolutely need local currency, use a debit card at a reputable ATM. Once you arrive, just let your bank know ahead of time. Carrying a huge wad of cash not only makes you a target for pickpockets, but it also screams tourist. Why risk losing hundreds when you could tap your phone and be done in seconds? Travel light, tap to pay, and only carry small bills for emergencies or places that don't take cards. It's all about being smart and safe. Number 7. International data plans. Gone are the days of racking up horror movie-level phone bills just for checking Google Maps abroad. International data plans from major carriers are still wildly overpriced and often frustratingly unreliable. In 2025, savvy travelers are opting for smarter, cheaper alternatives like local SIM cards and eSIMs. With services like Auralo, Holafly, and Nomad, you can land in a new country and be online in minutes, no more hunting for dodgy Wi-Fi. eSIMs are especially handy since you just scan a QR code and skip the physical SIM swap entirely. For families or digital nomads, portable Wi-Fi hotspots are another solid option. Even airports now have vending machines for SIM cards, so if you're connected before you even grab your bags, it's about staying online for less, whether it's for remote work or sharing your latest airport snack review. Number 6. Towels. Bringing a full-size towel on a trip is like packing a duvet for a weekend getaway. Just don't. Most hotels, Hostels and Airbnb provide towels, and if they don't, it's usually noted when booking. If you really need one, go for a quick dry microfiber towel. They're light, compact, and dry ridiculously fast. These smart towels resist odors, pack flat, and double as blankets or yoga mats. Great for surprise swims or grimy hostel showers. Bulky cotton towels, on the other hand, take forever to dry and smell like damp regret. Minimalists skip the fluff and opt for clever efficiency. It's not about drying off, it's about traveling smarter. Number 5. Luggage scales. Luggage scales used to be essential now. They're just clutter. Experienced travelers develop a natural feel for their bag's weight after a few trips. And if you're really unsure, just use the airport check-in scale. A foldable duffel bag is a smarter backup for any last-minute shopping sprees. It's lighter, more useful, and doesn't require batteries. Pack smart from the start and skip the luggage tetras at check-in. Travel light, stress less. Number 4. Rugged gear. Unless you're trekking through the Amazon, leave the tactical gear at home. Overpacking for every what-if turns your suitcase into a burden. Seasoned travelers pack versatile, multi-use clothing like a light jacket and quick-dry shirts that work anywhere. One solid pair of shoes can handle cobblestones and cafe dates alike. The secret? Layering, not loading. If you need something specific, local stores exist everywhere. Packing smarter means carrying less and stressing less. Ditch the survival gear and survive the airport first. Number 3. Full-size toiletries. Full-sized shampoo bottles are just Transportation Security Administration drama waiting to happen. They eat up space, risk leaks, and rarely get fully used. Travel-size bottles and solid shampoo bars are lighter, neater, and flight-friendly. Multi-purpose products like a tinted moisturizer or all-in-one soap cut clutter even further. Most accommodations provide basic toiletries anyway. And if you run out, pharmacies exist literally everywhere. That hair mask you never use? Ditch it. Pack small, stay clean, and leave room for better things like snacks or quirky souvenirs. Number 2. Different outfit for every day. Packing a different outfit for every single day might sound glamorous until your suitcase looks like it's auditioning for a clothing explosion. Experienced travelers swear by a capsule wardrobe, a small, smart collection of versatile pieces that mix and match with ease. A few neutral tops, one go-anywhere dress, and comfy, stylish shoes can cover everything from museum strolls to fancy dinners. It's not just about saving space, it's about saving time and mental energy each morning. Instead of stressing over outfits, you're out enjoying your trip or battling a metro map. Doing laundry on the road, a quick rinse in the sink, or a hostile washing machine does the job. With layering and neutrals, your Instagram still pops, even if you're secretly rocking the same pants on day 3. Fashion meets function, and your shoulders will thank you. Number 1. Unnecessary items. Ah yes, the just-in-case mindset, the fastest way to turn a sleek carry-on into a chaotic nightmare. New travelers often cram in things like travel blankets, old MP3 players, emergency sewing kits, and 3 universal adapters just in case. But guess what? Most of it sits untouched while adding stress, clutter, and shoulder pain. Experienced globetrotters have cracked the code. If it doesn't serve at least 2 purposes or get used daily, it stays home. Want warmth? Use your scarf or hoodie. Need entertainment? Your phone does it all. Even airlines are improving. They offer blankets, earbuds, and charging ports. Packing light means faster airport movement, easier unpacking, and no wrestling a suitcase into the overhead bin like it's a CrossFit competition. If this saved your suitcase and your sanity, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks that actually work. Comment below, what's one item you'll never pack again? We've all made the neck pillow mistake. No shame here. Until next time, pack smart and travel far.